In the spirit of supporting a nation for greatness, the beautiful island of Jamaica joined the JAHJAH Foundation at our fundraising Black Tie Gala on Saturday, November 5 in Garfield, New Jersey, as we fundraise to help those in need in Jamaica. Donations are only $150 for adults and $95 for children under 12. Enjoy sumptuous cocktails and four-course dinner, entertainment, prizes and giveaways. Come out at 7 p.m. on Saturday, November 5 at the Royal Manor, 350 Midland Avenue, Garfield, New Jersey. Our esteemed keynote speaker will be the phenomenal Dr. Karen Dunkley. Entertainment by the superb Ricky Genius. Title sponsors PT Just Jerk, Irvington, New Jersey, and Jacoby Montefiore Emergency Medical Department, Bronx, New York. Tickets available on Eventbrite. Email info@jahjahfoundation.org or call 917-531-3699. We are the JAHJAH Foundation. Jamaicans abroad, helping Jamaicans at home.